If you can love the person who hated you, who hurt you the most, that is love and kindness. That is compassion. If you can forgive that person, that is love and kindness. But how many of us that actually can do that? Because usually we just love the one that we like. That is what we call love. And the word love is so easy to be said. Right? I love you, I love you. We hear this every day, everywhere. But is it really love? Or it's just a saying because this is something that we repeated over and over and over already. It's become a habit. Whenever you walk out that house, I love you, Mom, I love you, Dad. You really means it? Or it's just a process? Or is it just a habit of saying that since we were young? We start doing that already. Just like when we go to the toilet. Why are you laughing when I mention the toilet? Okay, I say a different thing. When you go to the toilet, you don't need to think of what should I do now? Should I brush my teeth? And how should I brush my teeth? We don't need to go to all that, right? All you need to do is just go to the toilet, to the bathroom, and then get a toothbrush and a toothpaste, put it in and brush it. Because this is something that you have done a very long time. It's become a habit. And just same thing as you drive in a car. When you get into that car, you don't sit there and think, what should I start first? How should I start? Okay, this is a key. I need to turn this on. This is the steering wheel. We don't have the habit of concentrating on this breathing. Now that we need to train ourselves to have a new habit of focusing here within our breath. That is a new practice to replace the old habit, which is not paying attention to the breathing. That's it. You want to change the old habit, you have to have a new habit, a good one. Just like me when I ordained to become a monk. As Asian, when we sit on the chair, we always shake our leg like this, right? Do you have that habit? Yeah, just like no music, no nothing, but just like this all the time. And then when I ordained to become a monk, and then when I sit on that, around the table, and then I eat, and then one of my friends, she asked me, Sue is venerable. What are you doing? I say, I'm eating. And then she smiled. And then later, she asked me again, Sue, what are you doing? I say, I am eating. I'm not doing anything. And I start to question myself, why is he keep asking me this twice? And then I keep checking from top of my head to the bottom of my feet. And I'm eating here. I'm sitting on the chair. I'm not doing anything. And I look down and I see this. My right leg is shaking, vibrating. And I pointed it, and I look at her, and she said, yes. I said, okay, thank you. From there, and I said, you are now a monk. Just newly ordained, right? I still have the old habit that I need to get rid of. And then from there, I promised myself that I will get rid of this. I will never let this happen for the rest of my life. And then every single time when I sit down, I use my right hand, I grab this knee, and I tell myself, I made a vow, I will not do this, I will not do this, I will not do this. Right after I stop that, saying within my head is vibrating. And then I grabbed it, I say, nope, don't move. And then for maybe a minute or two, it starts to vibrating again. And I keep holding it, I keep telling myself, no, 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 no. Keep doing that every single time, because when it's vibrate, it's come up to my head and tell me that you are doing it. And I keep holding it. One day it's gone. completely. Now I have a new habit of not shaking my leg anymore. That is how we change the old habit. So if you have any type of habit that is not nice, we need to get a new one, which is the best one, a better one to replace it. You have to do that over and over within 64 days continuously without anything interfere or stop in between for you to have a new habit. How many of us here getting up at 4 a.m.? 1, 2. What are you doing at 4 a.m.?
Work.
Huh? Oh, you work. Meditate. Who's in here that wake up that early just to meditate? Just one person out of 1,000 person, 2 people. Okay, so it's because you work, you have to get up. Okay. Now what if the alarms goes off? For most of you, you have to go to school and you have to do a lot of things. When the alarms goes off, what would you do? Hit that snooze button? Yeah? Especially this season. It's so cold and warm. Warm inside, cold outside. You don't want to get up. And then when you hit that snooze button, and then the head will tell, it's so cold out there, I'm gonna take maybe 5 more minutes. And your mind gonna talk with your brain and say, oh yeah, baby, just lying there is okay, no problem. I will comfort you, I will make sure you stay warm. You see, that head talk with the mind, and the mind trying to comfort that head right away. These two is cheating us all the time. Okay? So within that 5 minutes, you have 5 hours later, you wake up. You stay in bed and die in bed. Just with one thought, we could lose the whole day or the whole life. Is that right? Yeah. You would never know if you can wake up after that 5 minutes. So what if you want to get up but you couldn't? How can we do it? You know, there's one time when I left United States to go to Vietnam. During those time, I work a lot at the temple, doing a lot of landscaping. And then when I went to Vietnam, just to take a break, I couldn't sleep that night when I arrived to Vietnam. 1 o'clock in the morning, I was able to close my eyes for a little bit. And then I set the alarm for 2 a.m. to get up to practice meditation. And then at 2 a.m. the alarm goes off. Then my mind say, I didn't sleep last night. I just got into the sleep mode for just not even an hour. So let's sleep a little bit more. Then from that time, and I lying there and I think, now you're trying to negotiate. You are so lazy. Don't do that. Get up right away. And then I sit right up and then go to the bathroom and take a shower. Come out and sit for meditation. Even though I know that I will be sleeping while I meditate. But I warn myself because I'm not lying there to sleep on that bed. That is a victory already. Even though if you meditate, you're still sleeping, it's okay. That is normal as long as you win yourself, win all those laziness, all those negotiating things not good for us. Okay. So now if you want to get up, you really want to get up, but you couldn't. Let me tell you one technique. When the alarm goes off and you still don't want to get up, give yourself only 5 seconds to live. 5 seconds is way a lot already. Because within one breath going in without going out, we already die. So 5 seconds to survive, to stay, to live is a lot. Let us all count together, okay? Backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up. Get up right away after you count to 1. Don't let that laziness and that mind and that brain cheat us. I'm telling you, this body and this mind cheating us every single time. Just give us only 5 seconds to live. Then you will win every single time. You get up regardless how tired you are. And then after that, what should you do next? Shower? Okay. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, a lot of things. Not yet. Fold your bed sheet and make it look nice and neat. Okay? Make sure kick him off the bed. Make sure you fold in it, make it look nice and neat. Your portion, okay? Then go to the bathroom without your lover. Make sure this is very important. Without your lover in that bathroom, please go home and make a sign. No lovers allowed. And put on that door. Means don't take your cell phone to the toilet and talk. And surf the internet. Okay? And then go to the toilet and brush your teeth, do whatever you want to do. Come out, get a piece of paper and a pen. Write down the statement and say, today is going to be my peaceful day. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Write that down and read it over and over with our eyes. It's very important to have this hand and this mind a job, the same job to do together. That will remind you a lot throughout your day. Okay? Today is going to be my peaceful day, and then read it over with your eyes and then read it out loud with your mouth to tell the universe that today is going to be my peaceful day so that no one in this world can mess that up except yourself. You are the only person who can mess your days up. Remember the fire rope that I throw into you? If you decide not to hold in it, your day will be still beautiful, peaceful, happy. If you decide to hold it, you mess your day up. Just that simple.